Hilti NRC6 cordless rebar cutter is a robust and efficient solution for cutting number 8 rebar with precision. Powered by the Nuron battery platform, it delivers cordless convenience, extended runtime, and consistent power. Equipped with X-cut rebar blades, it ensures smooth, low-spark cuts while enhancing safety with a fully enclosed blade guard and adjustable side handle. Built for durability, it handles construction and demolition tasks with ease, offering fast, burr-free results. Perfect for professionals, this tool combines portability, safety, and reliability for demanding job site needs. Hilti BX422 is a cordless nailer optimized for fastening drywall tracks and light-duty materials to concrete, steel, and masonry. Part of the Nuron battery platform, it delivers cordless convenience and up to 1,000 nails per hour for high productivity. With compatibility for nails up to 39 mm and smart features like a nail refill indicator, it ensures efficient operation. The modular magazine allows flexible use in tight spaces, while reduced kickback enhances safety. Durable and versatile, the BX422 is a reliable choice for construction professionals. Hilti Multi-Line Laser is a professional-grade tool designed for precise leveling, aligning, and squaring tasks. Featuring three 360-degree laser planes, it supports versatile applications such as drywall alignment, pipe positioning, and ceiling leveling. Powered by the Hilti 22-volt Nuron battery, it delivers up to 24 hours of runtime on a single charge. The tool provides an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 3 millimeters over a distance of 10 meters. Its robust, drop-resistant construction ensures long-lasting durability, while its maximum operating range of 80 meters enhances its versatility. Ideal for demanding job site conditions, this laser level significantly improves efficiency and precision. Hilti SL622 cordless LED. Construction light offers up to 3,000 lumens of bright, even illumination, ideal for construction sites, workshops, and maintenance tasks. Powered by the Nuron battery platform, it ensures long-lasting performance and compatibility with other Nuron tools. Its 360 degrees rotating head and versatile mounting options, stand, hang, hook, or tripod mount, provide flexible positioning. Designed for durability, it withstands tough job site conditions, while its cool-to-touch housing ensures safe operation. This light enhances productivity, safety, and versatility, making it an essential tool for professionals across various industries. Hilti TE3000 AVR is a robust electric jackhammer engineered for heavy-duty demolition, including breaking concrete, asphalt cutting, and earthwork. Its powerful motor delivers high-impact energy for efficient performance, while active vibration reduction minimizes user fatigue for prolonged use. Designed for comfort and ease, its ergonomic grip and balanced build ensure effortless handling. Built for durability, it withstands tough job site conditions and is compatible with a variety of chisels and bits, enhancing versatility for diverse applications. The TE3000 AVR is a reliable choice for demanding demolition tasks. Hilti Jaibot is a semi-autonomous construction robot designed to automate overhead drilling tasks, ideal for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing installations. It boosts productivity by drilling faster than manual methods, reducing labor costs and project timelines. Safety is enhanced as it eliminates the need for workers to perform demanding and risky overhead tasks. The Jaibot ensures precise drilling, minimizing rework and material waste, while its integrated dust extraction system improves job site conditions. User-friendly and BIM-compatible, it autonomously drills and marks holes based on project data, revolutionizing efficiency and accuracy in construction. Hilti HIT-FP700R is a fire-resistant injectable adhesive anchor designed for concrete and masonry applications. This two-component cementitious adhesive is dispensed using a Hilti injection gun, offering superior performance in fire-rated structures. It maintains bond strength under high temperatures, making it ideal for safety-critical projects. With high-strength bonding and quick setting times, it supports rebar, threaded rods, and bolts efficiently. Its versatility accommodates a wide range of applications, while its user-friendly design ensures easy installation. Meeting all safety standards, the HITFP700R is a reliable and durable solution for secure anchoring in demanding environments. Hilti NPU122 cordless knockout punch tool is a compact and powerful solution for creating precise holes in materials like mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and plastic. With a punching force of 107 kilonewtons, it can handle holes up to 4 inches in diameter in 10-gauge steel, making it ideal for tasks such as electrical panel installation, HVAC systems, and sheet metal fabrication. Powered by Hilti's Nuron battery platform, it offers cordless convenience and flexibility, while its lightweight 3.5 kilograms design, 360 degrees rotating head, and auto-stop function ensure ergonomic and efficient operation. Built with durable materials, it withstands professional use and delivers reliable performance across various applications. Hilti Nuron DWP1522 water tank is a cordless portable solution for wet cutting and coring with Hilti tools, offering unmatched convenience and performance. Powered by the Nuron battery platform, it ensures flexibility and freedom on job sites while its smart water flow adjustment minimizes waste and interruptions. Designed with mobility in mind, the tank features a telescopic handle and rugged wheels for easy transport. Its compatibility with various Hilti cutoff saws and core drills, along with a user-friendly control panel and durable construction, makes it ideal for demanding applications like wet cutting, coring, and demolition in areas with limited water access. Hilti EXOS is a passive shoulder exoskeleton designed to alleviate strain on the neck and shoulders during overhead tasks. Lightweight at just 5 pounds, it provides comfortable support by transferring upper body load to the hips without needing batteries or motors. Its adjustable fit accommodates various body types, enhancing safety by minimizing fatigue and reducing injury risks. Ideal for applications such as drywall installation, surface grinding, and overhead piping or cable work, the EXO-S boosts productivity by allowing workers to perform longer with less discomfort. Its ergonomic, battery-free design makes it an essential tool for demanding construction environments. Hilti NMX622 cordless paddle mixer is a versatile tool designed for efficient material mixing, powered by the Nuron battery platform for cordless flexibility. Its high-torque brushless motor ensures reliable performance, while 3 variable speed settings allow precision mixing for materials like concrete, plaster, and mortar. The ergonomic double-handle design with anti-vibration features reduces fatigue during extended use, and safety elements like an accidental start prevention switch enhance user protection. Ideal for mixing adhesives, grout, and drywall mud, this tool offers unmatched mobility, performance, and convenience, making it a valuable asset for construction professionals. Hilti SMT622 cordless oscillating multi-tool is a versatile solution for professional tasks, offering exceptional performance and durability. Featuring a Starlock Max interface, it supports a variety of accessories for applications like cutting, sanding, and scraping. Its brushless motor ensures high power and long-lasting use, while the 4 degrees oscillating angle enhances efficiency in tight spaces. Built on the Nuron battery platform for cordless flexibility, it also boasts an ergonomic design and vibration reduction through a decoupled head with AVR. Ideal for cutting drywall, wood, and metal, or removing adhesives, this multi-tool ensures precise and comfortable operation. The Hilti PM 2PG POA 70 layout point laser streamlines construction layout tasks with exceptional precision and efficiency. Equipped with self-leveling functionality, it ensures quick and accurate setup, offering plus or minus 3 mm accuracy at 10 meters. Its green laser technology enhances visibility in brightly lit indoor environments, while the magnetic foot enables fast attachment to metal surfaces. Compatible with construction total stations, it speeds up alignment tasks using a plumb mechanism for precise prism positioning. With an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance and a robust 60-hour battery life, this compact laser is perfect for drywall installation, point alignment, and other layout applications. Hilti PTC thermal imaging camera is a high-resolution device designed for professionals requiring precision and reliability. With a wide temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, it is ideal for building inspections, electrical troubleshooting, and mechanical maintenance. The camera provides clear, detailed thermal images to accurately diagnose issues and prevent costly repairs. Its user-friendly interface and large display ensure easy operation, while the durable, drop-resistant design stands up to tough job site conditions. Featuring a long battery life of up to 10 hours, the PTC offers extended use, making it a valuable tool for professionals in various fields. Hilti NCV 1022 is a cordless concrete vibrator powered by the Hilti Nuron battery platform, designed for efficient concrete consolidation in applications such as flatwork, deck pours, and precast construction. Its motor and head design delivers high power and vibration frequency for effective concrete compaction. The cordless feature ensures greater mobility and flexibility on the job site, while the ergonomic backpack design reduces user fatigue and enhances comfort during extended use. With long-lasting Hilti Nuron batteries, it allows for extended operation without frequent recharging. Compatible with various whip sizes, it's ideal for different concrete volumes and depths, improving productivity and safety on site. Hilti AIC1000E air cleaner is a powerful and efficient dust collector and air scrubber designed for large spaces such as construction sites, offices, hotels, and stores. With a maximum airflow capacity of 1000 CFM, it effectively removes fine dust particles from the air, improving indoor air quality. The unit features 2 adjustable speed settings to suit different needs and a compact, portable design weighing only 33.5 pounds for easy maneuverability. Its durable construction ensures reliability in tough environments, while the easy filter replacement simplifies maintenance. Ideal for use in construction, renovations, and maintaining clean indoor air, the AIC1000E is an essential tool for dust-free workspaces. Hilti CP680P cast-in Firestop sleeve is a labor-saving one-step solution for fire-stopping pipe floor penetrations, designed to be cast into concrete slabs during construction. This eliminates the need for coring and drilling after the slab is poured, significantly reducing installation time and labor costs. The sleeve is versatile, suitable for both plastic and metal pipes, and features an integrated smoke seal to eliminate additional caulking. Its modular design accommodates various pipe diameters and slab thicknesses, and it is UL listed to meet fire safety standards. Ideal for commercial, industrial, and public buildings, it offers a straightforward installation process and ensures compliance with fire safety regulations. The Hilti SD5000A22 is a high-performance cordless drywall screwdriver designed for efficient and powerful fastening applications. It delivers up to 10% more torque than its predecessor, enabling faster drywall installation. The brushless motor and Nuron batteries provide extended battery life, allowing for more screws to be driven per charge. Its inline grip and enhanced LED light improve ergonomics and user comfort during extended use. The screwdriver is compatible with existing Hilti screw magazines and accessories, and its durable design, including a reinforced belt hook, ensures reliability on tough construction sites. Overall, it boosts productivity while maintaining comfort and durability. Hilti SF4H22 is a compact, cordless hammer drill driver designed for everyday drilling and driving tasks, particularly in hard-to-reach spaces. Powered by the 22V Nuron battery platform, it offers excellent versatility and compatibility with other Hilti tools. The compact size and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the active torque control prevents screw stripping and bit breakage. With a powerful motor, it efficiently drills into wood, metal, and masonry, and drives screws with ease. Built for durability, it handles tough job site conditions and offers reliable performance across a range of applications. The Hilti SC6WP22 cordless plunge saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for precise cutting in materials like wood, fiberboard, drywall, and solid surfaces. Powered by the Nuron battery platform, it ensures high cutting speeds and effective dust extraction for a cleaner workspace. Its adjustable bevel and incremental depth adjustment, along with guide rail compatibility, enable accurate cuts. The ergonomic design, including comfortable grips and a fully concealed blade, ensures safe and comfortable operation. Weighing just 7.3 pounds, this saw is perfect for a range of cutting tasks, providing both precision and power for professional use. Hilti concrete sensors provide real-time monitoring of concrete temperature and maturity, enabling better decision-making on the job site. These sensors predict concrete strength accurately, reducing the need for destructive testing. They ensure optimal quality control by tracking curing conditions, minimizing defects. With remote access to data, construction teams can easily collaborate and manage projects efficiently. The simple installation process makes it easy to integrate into existing workflows. Ideal for infrastructure projects like bridges and high-rise buildings, they optimize schedules and reduce delays. Hilti's innovation in concrete monitoring enhances efficiency and safety on construction sites. The Hilti GTB6X, a 22-tube belt sander, is a cordless tool designed for sanding, grinding, finishing, and polishing ferrous and non-ferrous metals, especially on pipes. It features a brushless motor for efficient performance and variable speed control for precise adjustments. The sander offers up to 270 degrees of contact, making it ideal for curved surfaces and pipework. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while its durable construction withstands tough environments. This versatile sander is perfect for metal fabrication, welding preparation, and surface preparation for painting. The tool is compatible with a wide range of abrasive belts for varied applications. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.